In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access your wallet from settings if you've ever needed to quickly check your balance, see recent transactions, or verify which payment methods are connected. Getting to the wallet section should feel simple and predictable. We'll keep things straightforward and make sure you know exactly what to look for on the screen so you can do this confidently every time. Start by locating the gear icon on the right side of your screen. This gear, or small cog, is the universal symbol for settings in many apps. It's typically positioned toward the top right corner, and it might sit inside the main toolbar or just above it. Take a moment to visually scan the right edge for that familiar gear. When you see it, tap it once with a firm single press. You should feel or see a quick response that confirms the settings view has opened. If your device uses dark mode or a high contrast theme, the gear may look slightly different, but it will still be that distinct cog shape on the right. Inside settings, look for the item labeled Wallet. You might find it listed near sections like Payments, Billing, or Account. The label you're watching for is Wallet. When you spot it, tap Wallet. This action takes you directly into the Wallet area where you can view your available balance, review recent activity, and confirm which payment methods are linked. Depending on your region and device, the layout may vary slightly, but the wallet label and entry point remain the same. As you navigate, keep accessibility in mind. If you use larger text sizes, the wallet option may wrap onto two lines, but it remains fully tappable. If you rely on screen readers, pause briefly after the settings screen loads so it can announce the wallet item, then tap when it's highlighted. Also, avoid sharing or displaying sensitive information on screen while recording or presenting. The wallet section can contain private financial details. And that's all there is to it. Tap the gear icon on the right to open settings, then tap wallet to reach your account's financial hub. With these two simple taps, you can quickly check what you need and move on with your day. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you navigate to wallet